start our unit number 3, Run. The poem's name is Run, page number 38. The poem has been written by the poet Mary Donald. Which poet has written this poem? Mary Donald. Okay. Read and enjoy this poem. अभी हम ये चैप्टर ये पोएम को अभी हम रीड करेंगे और उसका मीनिंग समझेंगे. अब व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पोएम? पोएम मीन्स आप उसको सॉन्ग गाकर भी आप पढ़ सकते हो या फिर आप वर्ड्स को रीडिंग करके भी उसको आप समझ सकते हो और पढ़ सकते हो. और पोएट क्या करता है पोएम में? वो थोड़े से वर्ड्स में आपको बहुत डीपर मीनिंग एक्सप्लेन करता है. सो व्हाट पोएट इज डूइंग? ही इज एक्सप्लेनिंग द वेरी डीप मीनिंग इन द पोएम विथ वेरी लिटल वर्ड्स. बहुत ही कम वर्ड्स में आपको वो पोएट आपको सारी की सारी पोएम एक्सप्लेन करता है इन अ वेरी डीप मीनिंग. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द पोएम with first paragraph. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run run run. यहाँ पे पोएट क्या बोल रहे हैं? Away from the city मतलब सिटी से बहुत ज्यादा दूर, and into the sun और सन के शैडो में. Out to the country, out to the country यहाँ पे मीन्स ऐसा नहीं कि कंट्री के बाहर जाना है. Out to the country मीन्स आपको आपके विलेज में जाना है, आपके गांव में जाना है. Run run run. तो यहाँ पे पोएट क्या बोल रहा है हमको कि यू हैव टू टेक द एडवांटेज ऑफ द नेचर व्हिच हैज बीन गिफ्टेड टू अस बाय गॉड. क्योंकि आप लोग कैसे सिटी में रहते हो, बिजी रहते हो, तो यू आर नॉट एबल टू टेक द एडवांटेज एंड यू आर बिजी एवरी टाइम इन ऑल योर स्टडी वर्क एंड एवरीथिंग. सो व्हाट पोएट इज टेलिंग हियर कि आपको सिटी से दूर जाना है, आपको सन की शैडो का मजा लेना है, एंड यू हैव टू गो टू योर विलेज. Run, run, run. So you have to go to your village and take the advantage of the nature which has been gifted to us by God. So our second paragraph is run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. यहाँ पे पोएट क्या बोल रहे हैं? रन इन द रेन ड्रॉप्स मतलब आपको रन कहाँ पे करना है? आपको बारिश में रन करना है. यू हैव टू रन व्हाइल द रेन इज कमिंग. रेन ड्रॉप्स का मतलब द एवरी सिंगल ड्रॉप ऑफ रेन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रेन ड्रॉप्स? एवरी सिंगल ड्रॉप ऑफ rain. The meaning of raindrops is every single drop of rain. So what the poet is telling here that you have to run while the rain is coming. Run beneath the trees. You also have to run beneath the trees. That means under the trees. आपको trees के नीचे भी run करना है. What is the meaning of beneath? It means under. Beneath means under. यहाँ पे शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखा है कॉमा करके neath. That means beneath. That means you have to run under the tree. Then after run little races. Run little races का मीनिंग क्या होगा कि आपको कैसे रन करना है? छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स लेकर. You have to take the very small steps and you have to run with each little breeze. What is the meaning of breeze? Breeze means धीमी हवा. B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breeze, a gentle wind. Clear? What is the meaning of breeze? That means धीमी हवा. That means gentle wind. तो आपको मैंने क्या बोला कि how you have to run? You have to run by very small step. आपको छोटे छोटे steps लेके रन करना है with each little breeze. Breeze means आपको धीमी हवा में आपको रन करना है और उस हवा के आपको मजे लेने. That means you have to take the advantage of the nature, how the breeze is blowing and how the rain is coming. In that rain you have to run, you have to take the little steps while running, and you also have to take the advantage of the breeze while you are running. So let's repeat the paragraph. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. How you are running? You are running in the raindrops every single drop of the rain is coming upon you. Run beneath the trees, that means you are running under the tree. Run little races, that means you are taking the very small steps while you are running. And with each little breeze, that means you are taking advantage of the gentle wind while you are running. So the third paragraph is, let's read. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. यहाँ पोएट क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? अभी आपको कहाँ पे रन करना है? Where you have to run? You have to run down the hillside. What is the meaning of hillside? The sloping side of the hill. What is the meaning of hillside? The sloping side of the hills. Hills का मतलब छोटी छोटी पहाड़ियाँ. What is the meaning of hills? छोटी छोटी पहाड़ियाँ. So you have to run through the hills. Then after run up the lane. आपको कहाँ से रन करना है? आपको लेन से रन करना है. What is the meaning of lane? Lane का मतलब छोटी छोटी गलियाँ, छोटे छोटे रोड, छोटी छोटी गलियाँ. So you have to run from where? You have to run through the lane. Then after run through the meadow. What is the meaning of meadow? Meadow मतलब green grassland. जहाँ पे लैंड कैसा होता है? पूरा ग्रास से भरा होता है and which is in green color. So this type of land is called the meadow. That means meadow. What is the meaning of meadow? The land which has the green grass. So meadow means the piece of green grassland. Right? So what the poet is telling here, he is telling that from where you have to run through the hillside. आपको छोटे छोटे पहाड़ियों से गुजरना है, आपको रन करना है वहाँ से. Then after what he is telling, he is telling that you have to run through the lane. आपको छोटी छोटी गलियों से भागना है, रन करना है, गांव की हर एक गली में से आपको गुजरना है. Then after run through the meadow, आपको green grassland पे भी रन करना है. You have to also run on the green grassland. Then run back again. Then again what he is telling, you also have to run all these places which we have seen previously. कहाँ कहाँ पे आपको रन करना है? You have to run on the meadow. Then after lane, hillside. Then after हमने उससे पहले क्या पढ़ा था? कहाँ से रन कर रहा है वो? Under the tree and in the rain. वो कहाँ पे रन कर रहा है? In the rain, under the tree, hillside, lane and meadow. So the poet is telling here that you have to take the advantage of the nature of the environment in this way. आपको आपके गांव में जाके गांव की हर एक गलियों का आपको मजा लेना है, हर एक लैंड का आपको एडवांटेज लेना है by running. सब कुछ भूलकर, आप सब टेंशन भूलकर आपको गांव की हर एक चीज का आपको मजा लेना है. So our last paragraph is, run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away. पोइट हमको यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं? Run and be merry. You have to run and be merry. Merry means to remain happy. आपको जब while you are running, so at that time you have to remain happy. So what is the meaning of merry? M-E-R-R, merry. That means happy or cheerfully. Clear? So while you are running, you have to run cheerfully and by remaining or staying happy all through the day. आपको जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज पोएट ने करने को बोली है, that you have to carry on all through the day. आपको सारी एक्टिविटीज पूरे दिन कंटिन्यू रखनी है. You have to do all these activities all through the day. Run to the country. Run to the country का मीनिंग क्या है? आपको आपके विलेज में, that means you have to run all through the day in your village. Away, away. क्यों यहाँ पे away away क्यों लिखा है? What is the meaning of away and away? That means you have to remain tension free or stress free to while you are carrying on this all activities which the poet has said to you. So students, here we are ending our poem. Now let's study the difficult words, the meanings of this poem again. What is the meaning of raindrops? Raindrops means the every single drop of the rain. What is the meaning of beneath? Beneath means under, tree के नीचे. What is the meaning of breeze? Breeze means a gentle wind. That means धीमी हवा, gentle wind. What is the meaning of hillside? Hills means छोटे छोटे पहाड़. So what is the meaning of hillside? The sloping side of the hills. What is the meaning of meadow? Meadow means the green grassland. So the piece of green grassland is called meadow. What is the meaning of merry? Merry means happy, to remain happy or to remain cheerful every time. So I hope that you have understood the poem. This poem is very interesting. Please go through this poem twice. Thank you and have a nice day.